AI has revolutionized innovation forever. It's no longer just assisting, it's creating. From painting masterpieces to coding in seconds, generative AI is redefining the future.
People are trying to integrate into their industries everywhere, but the knowledge which is required to understand the true potential and the true application context for generative AI is still missing.
Companies are no longer just looking for professionals who understand AI. They want experts who can strategically leverage it to drive innovation, solve complex problems, and do so ethically.
Right? You need to be aware of certain level of theoretical concepts, the foundations, as well as the business applications, along with learning the tools which are required for implementing these technologies. So we at TalentSprint have decided to create a course with all these different aspects, bringing them together with the title Certificate Program in Generative AI, Foundations as well as Applications.
This certificate course is planned to be executed across 4 months, structured across 6 different modules and a final project. The course will comprise of all online interactive sessions. We start with Module 1, Foundations of Generative AI, Module 2, which is Architectures and Models in Generative AI, Module 3, Practical Implementation of Generative AI, then Module 4, Advanced Prompt Engineering and Optimization, Module 5, Retrieval Augmented Generation and AI Agents, and Module 6, Building, Hosting and Operationalizing Generative AI Applications. After completing the modules, we have a final project.
All through these modules, we'll not only learn about the technology, but immediately we are also going to learn about the business implications as well. And you'll be able to grasp any new technology which is going to come up tomorrow because of your foundations which you have learned. And you'll be learning about the latest tools which are used for implementing generative AI technology and also map it back to the business context.
The world is changing. Are you ready to lead the change? This is your opportunity to create, innovate, and define the future with generative AI. Enroll today to become the Gen AI expert the world needs.